Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back to the next session. So today we are going to discuss about the aptitude questions which are asked in Mindtree campus recruitment. So these are the questions which are asked in 2020 recruitment. If you are seeing in the next upcoming years. So I'm just telling the questions in this video, and if you want the answer for this one, you can check the link in the description. So these questions have already been solved separately in some of our videos, so you can just go through those videos if you want the solution for this one. Otherwise, if you are looking for what kind of questions they will be asking so that you can prepare yourself, then you can just watch this video. I will be dictating only questions in this session, and note that, guys, these are the screenshots, and these are the real questions which have been asked in the examination. So that's why these are not like probable questions or a model type of questions. Okay, so these are the questions and they will be repeated in the upcoming recruitments as well. So you know this fact that most of the questions will be repeated from the previous recruitments. So if you are aware of that one, then you can just watch this video completely and get a complete insight what kind of questions they will be asking, and up to what difficulty level they will be going. Okay, so if you watch this video completely, then you will come to know what kind of questions they will generally ask and how deeper can they go, right? So I'll just start with the first question here. So total there are 15 questions for the aptitude, guys, and I'll just go through all of them here. Two numbers are respectively 20% and 50% more than the third number. What is the ratio of two numbers? So this is the question, and there are four options: 3 is to 7, 4 is to 5, 3 is to 5, and 2 is to 5. So if you want answer, I already told you. Please check the description. We have uploaded the answers as well. Okay. So next question. Okay, there are three places: Bihar, West Bengal, and Jharkhand, such that 7 roads connect Bihar and West Bengal, and 9 roads connect West Bengal and Jharkhand. From the given data, determine in how many ways can one travel from Bihar to Jharkhand. Okay, so this is the city question where 3 cities will be there, and two different group of cities will be having different number of roads for the connection. So they will be asking like A to B, B to C, and what is the possibility from A to C. So you need to find out that one, and the answers are 4 here. See, combination of 16 is to 9, and 63, 112, and permutation of 16 is to 9. Okay, so the next question will be something like this. Okay, so this is the repeated one. Okay, so if the sum of three consecutive positive integers is 75, then what will be their product be? So the sum of three consecutive numbers is 75. Let us say x, y, z, x plus y plus z will be equal to 75. Then what will be their product? Like this they are asking. So if you solve, you will be getting one of these answers, and obviously the answers will be like 12500, 15600, 11600, and 13500. So next question will be, at what rate of simple interest per annum will a certain amount be thrice the principal amount after 6 years? So 0.33, 0.3333, 0.5, and 0.3367. Alright, so next question. Two toy trains A and B run towards each other on a conveyor belt of length 2500 meters. The speed of train A is 35 meter per second and speed of train B is 15 meter per second. What is the time taken by trains to collide if the speed of the conveyor belt is 10 meter per second? So this is the train scenario, guys, where two trains will be moving towards each other, and also the basement, they are placed on a conveyor belt, and that is also moving with a 10 meter per second speed. So these questions are already answered, so you can just check the description. Okay, so the next question, 4 pipelines A, B, C, and D can fill a tank separately in 8 hours, 16 hours, 12 hours, and again 16 hours respectively. If all the 4 pipes are opened, how long it will take to the tank to fill? So there are 4 separate pipelines A, B, C, D, and they are given the time which they will be taking to fill a tank separately. Okay, so if all of those pipes will be opened simultaneously, then what is the amount of time that will be taken to fill that tank? So this is also very simple question, guys. You can just go through the solution. Okay, so the next question, the given table represents the number of first class runs scored by batsmen of the Indian cricket team during the years 2012 to 2013 to 2016-17. What was the total number of runs scored by all the given batsmen in the 2013 to 14? Okay, so this is also we have solved. And next one, 6 years ago, Mr. X was 5 times the age of his son Y. After 6 years, Mr. X will be thrice the age of his son. What is the present age of X? So this is just a age problem. Then your office has arranged for a box of food packets containing 2 packets of noodles, 3 packets of I don't know what is that. Something is there, and 4 packets of sushi. Okay, so in how many ways can you pick 3 food packets from the box so that at least one of them contains them? Okay, so that was pasta, guys. Okay, so they are asking for the pasta, so you can just go through the solution for this one as well. A wholesaler decides to mix 2 varieties of lentils worth Rs 170 per kg and Rs 180 per kg with the third variety of lentils in the ratio 2:2:3. What is the price per kg of the third variety of lentils in the lentil mixture is worth 173 per kg? So this is just a average problem, guys. Okay, so we need to find out the average. A retailer buys a lentil at a 20.40 a kg and lentil B at Rs 18.6 a kg. He wants to mix A and B to make a new mixture C that cost around okay, so 19.40 a kg. In what ratio should he mix lentil A and B to do so? This is also a mixture problem, guys. So you just check the description, guys. You will get everything there. The ratio of the scores obtained by the two students is 4:3. The combined average of their scores percent is 100 and the score obtained is 1400. What is the total score of the exam conducted? So total marks we need to find out. A man can row 40 km upstream and 60 km downstream in a 13 hours. He can also row 15 km upstream and 72 km downstream in 16 hours. In the given context, what is the rate of current? So this is the river problem, guys. And Bob bought a bicycle for Rs 15,000 last year and sold it to Joel at 10% loss. Joel then sold the bicycle to Bina at 20% profit and Bina sold it to Leah at 10% profit. So determine how much Leah paid for the bicycle. So it's just a profit and loss type of question. So yeah, this is the last question of aptitude, guys. Julian went to the market and bought fish worth Rs 30, out of which 50 paisa were spent as sales tax. What is the cost of the tax free items if the tax rate is 5%? So choose the option that coincides to the nearest integer. So nearest integer we need to find out here. So this is basically interest question. So these are the type of questions which will be generally asked in the Mindtree campus recruitment in the aptitude section. So in upcoming sessions we will be uploading more kind of these questions. Please follow the channel by subscribing, and if you found it useful, please like the video. Thank you, guys. Thanks for watching.